Ooh, I forgot how sexy this car is. This is the SL55 R230 platform. This has coilovers on it. Silver's Neomax with the Swiss spring upgrade. So no ABC issues, no hydraulic suspension issues. This thing can be driven across country, no problem. It has the stage 2 tune. It has the catalytic converter delete. That's 4 catalytic converters on the AMGs. This is the SL55. So the 4 cats are deleted and the resonator is deleted. I kept the AMG mufflers. This thing sounds crazy, looks crazy. The wheels look crazy. 20 by 10.5 all the way around. Those are niches. Very, very nice wheel setup, very wide profile. The tires are 85/30 in the back and 55/35 in the front, 20-inch wheels. You want to hear how this thing sounds? How many miles? Only 85,000 miles. Listen to it. It's a beautiful sound. Doesn't it sound nice? Hold on. Listen to it again. Woo! Isn't she beautiful? Yeah, isn't she beautiful?